Alright guys, this is my bet swing, and I'll be taking you on how you can bet on let's say on how you have a sure that you're gonna win the game, like having 90 something percent sure, almost 100, let's say 100, because you need to play a game that really you have your mind to be X, okay? Not playing a bet and you'll be thinking, oh God, let me win this thing. So there are some bets you play, you free your mind. You understand? You know for sure that you've done something and you're expecting a return. Okay, so that's why I want to show you how a little tips I normally use and the kind of game I do play to have best sure game, like 100% sure. You understand? So that's why I'm taking you through this, and this is the game I've played for tomorrow. Okay, so if you're watching it now, today Sunday, it's Sunday games. So you can just take on it. You can open the bet and check the one that is still on and play, or you can pick by yourself. Okay, so let's go through this. Let me show you what. If you notice, if you say the odd I have here is very little odd. You see, I have. Imagine you played 1.05. You understand? So that's to tell you that it's kind of sure. You understand? So you say Sevilla and Barca. I played fixed half. I played fixed half. Let's check. See what I did here. I play fixed half under 3 goals, which is x5. Fixed half under 3. You understand? So, and why I play it this way, because when you check on their statistic here, you know the numbers of goal they always play when they meet each other, like, so that's where you use to calculate and know what you're playing at. So you're saying this now, I their last match was last year and they have been playing 3-0 1, so the maximum goals is just 3, let's just say 4. Okay, so now on this one, definitely in halftime they're going to play no less than 2 goals. You understand? So that's to tell you how sure this game is. And now what I did here, I picked Sevilla. I picked under 3 on fixed half. You can see it here, fixed half under 3. So I don't want to take chances by picking under 2, so I have to play this under 3. You understand? To be sure that I'm winning this game. So this is how you do picks on games, and there are some I picked over 1.5. I thought my past video, I think I'm very sure that I've showed you guys how to play over 1.5. Okay, the option you do pick before playing staking on it. So let's check on this as example again. Okay, alright, look at this, look at their previous match and what they have been playing. All their game is just over 1.5. You understand? From 2022 down to 24, and the previous matches with other clubs, let's just check it too. You see, they have been playing over 1.5, except this one here. You understand? So look at the opponent too. All games are good, so they do score a lot. So these are the games you play over 1.5. Over 1.5. So just go and play it. Okay. So let me take you through to another one. See. Okay, okay, this one I play this one under 2. Let me show you why it's take it under 2. Now you go to your on check on the start 2. Look at the start. Their game just 3. They always play. Okay, they don't score much goals, and then the previous matches. This thing is really important. So you have to check all the previous matches and see how they play, how they score, base color and direction. Look at this one. See what they have been playing. The whole total game here was just under 2. This one managed to have over 3, but it was another club that beats them too. You understand? So that's why I'm picking it under 2 fixed half. Under 2 fixed half. Okay. So you come here and just say under 2. Let's check on the next one. See what I played here. Just imagine the odds. So this is how you do play, accumulate your odds and stick. You, anyway, what I did here, I picked a lot of game here, but you can just pick a little if you like. Just have, if you can just have up to, like say, 10 hard or 5 hard, then put better money on it, and you've gotten what you want. Okay, so look at this one. This one they do score. That's why I played 2 to 5 goals. So I told you earlier that there are different options that you can stick on. When you, when you don't see, they don't have maybe you're looking for over 2 in your bet site or app, and you can't find it. So there's this option here. Sporty bet has. Now look at this game. I played it over 1 because if you see what the play last was 0-0 actually, but look at the previous match and see how it goes. Now see, they have been playing over 1 all through the matches is over 1. You understand? Though it's different club, but actually they do score goals. Both clubs do score. So this is the best to pick over 1. So if your bet site or club don't have this over 1, you see this one here, there's over 2. I don't know if you don't have this option here. See this go bond, okay? This go bond is just like you are telling them that they will score so goal from so point to so point. Can be 2 goal or 2 goal upward. You understand? So this is where you control the goals. You control the goals to here. So now I want to stake over 1. Now what I will do, I will come here, place it at 2 and take it 5 upwards. So if they score up to 6 goal, your game is still on. And this is over 1 too. So pick it here and let's search for more. This video is just a tutorial just for you to see how you can play and stake. So to be sure that you're going to win your game. Look at this game that I played now. You see it's almost done. Look at, yeah, we are playing right now. It's almost done, and you're saying over 2 and they're going to score. You understand? Just 52 minutes. So this is how you stake your bets and be free of maybe some people do think there are some people when they stake on a bet, you understand, their mind will not be at rest. You understand, they'll be thinking, hey, they've won that money already, or they want to use the money now. Like everybody will be going, they'll be checking their game often. Anyone that have played and you stick on it, you don't mark it that 2 have played already. No, that's not how. You just give yourself heart attack. So this is the kind of game that you play and you will be free of thinking. Okay, so try to master this and see how I select my game. Okay, so I can play. Look at this one here. I played handicap. See different option. I played this handicap. Let me check. This one is handicap 3, under 3. I think it's first half, right? Yeah. Look at it here. This handicap under 3 first half. So if they played under 3, which means they will refund back my money. Do you know why I play this game like this? Because I don't want to lose chances, like, because I knew these people, they are they may likely score 3 goals. May likely score 3 goals. So that's why I don't want to play it under 2. But actually, their last match was 0-0 last year, and look at the match they've been playing with other teams. Now see, they have also okay 5-0. They won in town win them 5. The down one was playing over 1. Okay, so now I don't want to take any chances to maybe lose this bet. That's why I need to play this. Actually, this would have been better because I'm not sure they can score up to 3 goal on fixed half. Okay, so but if you don't want to lose, just add the 0.1, 1.02. Look at the odd difference now. So these are the ways you can play and be free of thinking. So guys, you can do it on your own. Search on your own and select your game. Okay, so thank you, and do encourage me by tapping up your bell and subscribe. Share this video so everybody can learn too. Okay, so you don't wait for someone to give you code anymore. You have to do this yourself. You have to pick yourself. So watch this video to the end, and you'll get a code for this game at the end of this video here. So thank you for watching. Bye for now. You can join my WhatsApp page, okay, so that you can get code anytime I dropped. And I want to tell you this: whenever someone gave you a code, you don't need to go ahead and start playing the game. You have to check it yourself and see if there's some things you can change, or some games you are sure of. You can just put it as. But what I do is that I'll play this one first, then I'll have to shuffle and edit it and play another ticket. Okay, these are the tips. This is how you win your bets often. Okay, so alright everyone, good night and see you on my next video. Bye. So this are the code, and it's for just sporty bets. So if you have any other bet site, you can select it bit by bit. You have to watch the video and check, so like you know what you're playing. Okay. Alright guys, please do subscribe and share this video. And I want to see a lot of like if you love this video. Thank you.